Today I'm going to show you how to enable the Save and Resume Later function in your forms. From the dashboard, you can go to Manage Your Forms, click on the form that you want to enable the feature for, go to Settings by either clicking here in Form Settings or clicking Form Settings at the top left. Now down in the settings you'll see we have the Include and Save Resume Later option. You include that, say yes, click Apply, and what that now does is set the Save and Resume Later function on for your default form designs, the ones that we provide for you, and it will also set the Save and Resume Later function to be on for all designs created after setting that to on. So now we can go to the Form Designer, and I'll show you how we can enable this feature for each design. So when you go into a design, you can click the settings, and then you'll see down here, do you want to include the Save and Resume Later option? So right now it's set to yes, but you can set this to no. So this can be overwritten at the design level for every single form design. So in this case, we'll say yes. Then you can click Save Changes. I don't need to save because it was already yes. I'll close the settings, and then we can preview the form, and you can see that we have a Resume Later option here. When you click Resume Later, you have the option to copy the link. So if I want to resume later, I can go to a new tab, let's say, paste my link, and resume that submission later, and you'll see that it's stored my previous input. The other option you can do is to email it to yourself. So if you choose to do that, you will get this link emailed to you so that you have that link to go back to later to finish your submission. And that is how you enable the Save and Resume Later option for Indition Forms.